Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I am going to share one of my favorite dessert, that is Biscoff Cheesecake, which is very simple, easy and quick, and this is no bake, eggless, and you don't need an oven. So let's start this simple recipe. You can prepare within 15 minutes. It's just a 15-minute preparation time, and this is very easy with only six ingredients. So here, for that, I've taken around 18 Biscoff biscuits. Now we will crush them in a Ziploc bag. You can use a food processor or any bag to crush it. Just use the rolling pin. Just make sure it is a very fine powder. Into that I am going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter and give it a good mix. Make sure it's all well coated. And from that I will take around 2 tablespoons on a side for garnishing. And now I'm using a spring foam cake pan and just put the parchment paper. If you don't have a spring foam cake pan, you can definitely use the regular cake pan and just put the parchment paper at the bottom, and you can when it's ready you can just flip it on a plate, and then you can take it out. Now we want to level up this crush, so you can use the flat bottom bowl or a cup. Just make sure it's all level up and there is no gap. So now we will keep this in a refrigerator for at least 15 minutes until we do the next step. So now into the another pan, another bowl, I am taking 1 cup plus 1/4 cup of cream cheese. That is 1 8-ounce block plus 2 tablespoons. And here I am adding 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, you can use the regular powder sugar and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, that is corn flour. And into that I am using a hand mixture, that electric beater. Just keep it on a low speed. If you don't have an electric beater, you can definitely use a regular spatula to mix it. We just want to mix really well. Once it looks mixed, I will add half cup of Biscoff Spread. It is very easily available in the market. This is like a peanut butter spread, but it's a different flavor, that is a Biscoff Spread. Now we will beat it on a low speed until it's all well combined. Make sure you keep it on a low speed. Once it's all mixed, we will add heavy cream, that is a fresh cream. That will give a very creamy and rich flavor. So here I am adding a 3/4 cup of fresh cream. This is half cup and another 1/4 cup, that is 3/4 cup. Now beat it on a low speed until you see like it's a ribbon-like texture. You will start seeing a soft mix. Don't overbeat. Just keep it on a low speed. Now you can see it has started forming a ribbon. So this is good. It will be very light and fluffy. Just scrape up the bottom, scrape up the sides, and now we will add that mixture to the cake pan. So here I'm using a 6-inch cake pan. This will be enough for 6 to 8 people. Just spread it well, level up. Just make sure there is no air pockets. Now we will keep this in a refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now it's been 1 hour. Now into the separate bowl I have taken 2 tablespoons of Biscoff Spread and just microwave it for around 10 to 15 seconds and just pour it on a cake pan. And just make sure it's covered from all the sides. And now we will keep this in this cake pan in a refrigerator for at least 6 hours until all gets well settled. Just make sure you don't take out too early. Give it a time to get set. Now take out from the cake pan, and now I will decorate it with the biscuit crumbs that we have saved. This is very delicious, rich and creamy cheesecake. You can see it just prepared in, it only take like 15 minutes to get it done. So now we will cut it out. Just make sure you use the knife. Just dip it in a very hot water, so that's how you will get the clean slices. Each time when you make a slice, just dip it in a hot water. You can see it has very beautiful 3 layers. So do try my recipe. Thank you for watching and let me know in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.